Hello friends, welcome to Trueview. In this video we will see the unboxing and configuration of Trueview 4G mini pan tilt camera. Let's get started. Each Trueview product comes in a very premium and attractive packaging. This camera supports Alexa app. In this camera you will get a 3 megapixels high resolution lens. This camera can be easily configured on any active 4G SIM card. It supports cloud recording. This is an all-time color camera. It has an intelligent color night vision mode. With this feature, the camera automatically shifts to color mode on any human or motion detection in the vision of the camera. There are 4 QR codes on its box, by scanning which you can download the user manual of this camera. Android or iOS mobile app, or PC software. This camera is completely made in India. This camera has inbuilt high sensitivity microphone and speaker, so that you can record audio along with video. This camera has intelligent motion detection with push notifications. With this feature, you get a notification on the mobile app on any human or motion detection in the vision of the camera. You can install an SD card up to 256 GB for recording in this camera. Also you get full duplex audio intercom feature. You can watch and download the recorded video on mobile app. It has white LEDs and IR LEDs, with which you get a color view during the day and also at night. You get pan tilt monitoring in this camera. Its wide range lets you get a vision for up to 263° pan and 90° tilt. This camera also has auto tracking feature with pan tilt. As soon as a human comes in front of the camera, this camera automatically tracks the human. And you can also store your recordings on cloud storage by subscribing to the Trueview cloud storage. A special feature in this camera is pre-recorded message broadcast. With this feature you can broadcast customized recorded audio clip on motion detection through the built-in speaker. Let us now move ahead with the unboxing. This is Trueview's 4G mini pan tilt camera. It has lens and lights on its front side. Here is its speaker. Memory card and SIM card can be inserted in these slots. A reset button. A DC 12-volt socket, and the LAN connector are given in the connecting wires of the camera. This is an accessories box. In which you will get 12-volt 1 ampere power adapter. A fixture to install the LAN connector. A quality check card. And a screw pouch will also be available. The QR codes have also been given on the other side of the thank you card for ease of access to the codes. Now we will head towards its installation. Pull out the SIM and card protector cover. Insert the SIM card into its designated slot by gently pushing it in. Insert the memory card into its designated slot by gently pushing it in. After inserting the SIM card and memory card, put back the cover. Remove the protective film from the lens. Mark the spot where you wish to install the camera. Drill holes on the markings using a drill machine. Insert the provided plastic grips into these holes. Fix the camera on the wall with the help of screws. Connect the DC pin to this socket and plug the adapter into the power socket. After switching on, you will see this green light, which means our camera is now on. After this, you will receive a voice prompt from the camera.
The network is connecting. 4G network connection succeeded.
We will now move for the mobile configuration. First of all, we need to download the TrueCloud app from Google Play Store. Open the app and click on Agree and Allow. To use the app, you must first register by clicking on the Register button. After that, log in on the login page by entering the details and click the Confirm button. To add the camera to the app, we need to scan the QR code given on the camera. Type the device name of your choice and confirm. The camera is now online. With the help of this app, you can change the video quality. You can enable or disable the audio of the camera. You can take the screenshots. You can record manually. View full screen. And also rotate the camera view. To view the recorded footage, click on Playback. Click on the Settings button in the upper right corner for camera settings. So friends, this was the unboxing and configuration of Trueview 4G Mini Pan Tilt camera. Like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel to see unboxing and installation videos of other Trueview products, and so that you can get updates of upcoming videos. Thank you.